Hi! Welcome to Cooking Simply Delicious. Have you always wanted to make homemade crepes but felt intimidated by those fancy brand chefs that whip them up right in front of you? Then, if you've ever wanted to know how to make crepes, this easy crepes recipe results in the most wonderfully thin, delicate crepes that can be made sweet or savory in the blender and served for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, or dessert. I'm sharing with you how to make crepes and all my crepe tips and filling ideas for the best French crepes. And by the way, two of my #1 supporters by my side will join me on this journey. Let's begin with making the batter. In a large mixing bowl, let's add 4 large eggs, then 1 cup of flour, followed by 1 link of unsalted butter. Next, let's add 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and lastly, 1 teaspoon of oil. Let's blend it all together and let the batter stand at room temperature for about 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make the crepe filling. In a small bowl, let's add 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream and then add 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. Mix well together. And once it is smooth, let's set it aside. In another mixing bowl, let's add 4 ounces of cream cheese, followed by 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. And lastly, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's also add the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Mix until smooth. You both are doing well. Good job. Let's keep going. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. Melt 1/8 tablespoon butter in the skillet. Then, pour 1/4 cup of butter into the pan and swirl to coat evenly. Cook 30 seconds each side.
It's perfect.
These crepes are just so popular in France. The French even have a day dedicated to them, La Chandelure, or Crepe Day, every year. A French holiday during which crepes are traditionally eaten for dinner. As the story goes, the tradition is to catch a crepe in the frying pan with your right hand after tossing it in the air while holding a gold coin in your left. This symbolizes prosperity and riches in the year to come. These two can't wait to build their own crepes. Alright, let's begin. Fill crepes with your favorite berries, with the cream we made. Then, roll them tightly. Oh wait, we're not making lumpia, we're making crepes. There you go, silly kids. Top with powdered sugar.
So good.
Wow. Syrup.
And you can also top with melted chocolate. Yum! All it takes to learn how to make crepes at home. It's a simple recipe and a little bit of practice. These two kids nailed it! I really love crepes. This is an easy recipe that can make anyone look like a professional crepe maker. I hope you enjoy this as much as we do. This dessert practically qualifies as a party game with all the tasty toppings guests can pile on.
So good. That is simply delicious.
This is such a fun idea and a great unique dessert. These kids love it so much.
Wow.
And they want more, of course. These French crepes are the perfect, elegant yet easy dessert recipe. That is Cooking Simply Delicious!
Happy birthday, Mommy! We asked Cooking Simply Delicious to make crepes because we wanted to make crepes for your birthday. Happy birthday! Thank you guys for watching!
Thank you guys for watching. For more cooking and simply delicious recipes, don't forget to subscribe. Till next time!